Hi guys, so today I will show how to take the RAM from this laptop. This is a Dell Latitude e7240. So for this one actually it's quite simple how to take it off, so I will show how it is. So you just turn it around and you take off the battery, and then you will have here two screws in each side. So unscrew these ones. These are Phillips screws, so I think it's PH0. Yeah, it's here PH0. So you can use this screwdriver to take them out. So just take them out, each one. So you just use this screwdriver and it's enough. Now to take this cover, you just slide it to this side and just lift it afterwards, and just slide it a bit more, because here are the inches where it connects over here. And to take the RAM, you just come here and you just press in here each side. You can see there is these hinges here. I already pressed here a bit in this one, so you just pull it. If you have some tweezers, you can use it, or you can use your fingers. So just pull it to the side, to that side, and it should pop up right away, and that's it. So as well, pretty straightforward. And to press it in, you just fit it in an angle like this, so in the side, and then just press it, and you should hear the clicking of this and this side that holds it in place. So this is how actually you change the RAM of this Dell computer. So I hope this helped someone. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.